Hello guys, my name is Shakira. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Hold the phone. Hold. It's been 2 months. It's been 2 months. Now, just give you a little recap before we get into today's video, which is a cook with me. So, what happened after that? Okay, so then it was my birthday. I filmed on my birthday. Haven't posted the video yet. February 3rd is the last time I posted. That's crazy. You know what? I'm back, so we're all good. But today, we're cooking. I don't know what to call this because I don't have a name for my dish that I created yet. But I came up with it. So basically, it's a bowl, a shrimp and rice bowl. Okay? And it's all my ingredients are from Trader Joe's that I'm gonna use. So basically I use the Spanish rice from Trader Joe's, the shrimp burgers from Trader Joe's. Stay with me here, okay? So we're gonna cook that first, okay? And then I'll show you. What if I do that? Take the pan. It looks dirty, but it's just because I've cooked this meal 2 other times. So within like the past week/weekend. Maybe you guys can help me come up with a name for this because I don't know what to call it. Oh my god. If I sound like congested, it's because I am. It's because of these stupid allergies. That's why. When I say all my ingredients are from Trader Joe's, all of them are from Trader Joe's. Or is this bad to have you guys too close to the fire? You should be fine. Oh, I'm a genius. Okay. Are you guys ready? I've made this 2 other times and I perfected it the second time I made it. So basically, trust me on this. Okay. I call myself, what? Ew. Can you guys see? Just ignore everything in the background. I know I've been gone, but I'm back. My hiatus, guys, I had a presentation today too. Literally cannot speak a word. Oh my god, I miss filming YouTube videos. Guys. Okay, so basically, I take 2 of these frozen shrimp patties. And the reason that I'm using shrimp patties is because I've been pescatarian for like a month now, so yeah. Before we put the patties in the pan, got to put some olive oil in the pan first, okay? There's like nothing in here. So I've used it all. That's okay. You spread the oil, and then you turn on the fire, okay guys? Don't be afraid. I leave it on high first so it can just get hot faster. And I know you guys cannot see my face, but just ignore that. So basically, I'm gonna cut these patties open. And I cook both of them at the same time because it's faster. I know, guys, it's not hot yet, but it's fine. I need my spatula. Spatula! You know, the first time I made these burgers like by myself, I didn't have a spatula. And it was actually a struggle. So now that it's like sizzling, we're gonna turn the heat down to like mid-heat. And then, is this the right cap? It is. You put the cap on it so it can like simmer. Okay, and then while that's doing its thing, I'm gonna get something. A cap to a container. Because we'll need it later, okay? We'll need it to put the burgers on. You know what we also need is a bowl. For the finished product. A bowl. I know the lighting's terrible from this angle, okay? Just ignore it. So basically what this is doing is kind of defrosting it a little bit. And you just wait. gonna flip it now. Then you put it back. Guys, I'm such a chef. I feel like such a chef when I make this. Defrosting. Okay, guys, trust me. Now, from here, you just keep messing with it. See, look, now that they're frosted, now they're soft. So we're just gonna cook them a little bit more. I turn the heat up a little bit. And then I'll show you guys what we're gonna do. We just have to make sure they're cooked through enough, and then I'll show you. I missed you guys. I did. You know we're at 80 subscribers now. I turned the heat off. So now, don't fall please. I'm gonna take these off. And now I'm gonna cut them up. This is how the bowl becomes a shrimp bowl. Okay? They're not completely cooked through yet. Like the shrimp is still raw. So I just cut them in like cubes, I guess. I just got shrimp on you guys. My bad. Like they're almost cooked. They're like on the verge of being cooked and they're like raw at the same time. How I came up with this idea of shrimp patties in rice, I don't know. It just popped in my head, honestly, one day. And I was like, I need to eat this, so I did. And at first, the first time I made this, I overcooked like the patty. So it was kind of like dry, I guess, or hard. Okay. Basically, I cut them in like small cubes, I guess. I don't know. Okay, now we're back to the pan. To the pan again. We turn it back on. Doesn't matter what heat you put it on. It's on 5 right now. You put it back, and then, you know, finish cooking it. Cut it some more if you would like. So while this is doing that, we're gonna put the rice in the microwave. You could do it on the stove, but like it's way easier to put in the microwave. You put this in the microwave for 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Now we wait for the rice. It's not done yet. But here's our shrimp, and the rice is in the microwave. But now, you and me, we're gonna chat. I actually have nothing to chat about, to be fair. School is about to end in like 3 weeks. Thank God, literally. You know how long, like this year, I've been in excruciating pain. You know, I literally had a 20-minute presentation today. Oh my God, my English teacher gave us a 1,000-word essay while he's not in class. I'm not even gonna talk about the negative. I'm gonna talk about the positive. Is that Jakara Clark is back on YouTube, y'all. I'm back. And you know what else? Billie Eilish is releasing her new album, Hit Me Hard and Soft, May 17th. I'm excited. Okay, so we've hit a bit of a boulder. Is that what people say? So why am I stupid? So usually I would use this salsa to put in my rice in my bowl, like when everything is in it, right? But I would also use this hot sauce, like garlic jalapeno hot sauce. It's also from Trader Joe's, but apparently we don't have any more. So now I'm gonna use crunchy chili onion, also from Trader Joe's. Because I don't know why I learned all this. I didn't think we had it anymore, I don't think. But I'm gonna put some in my rice. Not a lot though, but I'm gonna put some. I'm a genius. Hear that? Oh my god, look. Look. Okay. I just got some on my phone. That's sick. Then we put our shrimp in. Don't be like me and spill, okay? But now we have to mix it. You know that like feeling when you get like water in your ear, like when you're swimming? That's the feeling I just got. And it's like so annoying. Okay, if you guys want to know what this tastes like, this meal tastes like, the best way I can describe it is like jambalaya, like a little bit. Like, honestly, yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna put some of this. I don't put that much of this, but I put some because it makes all the difference. I only put a little bit. Oops. Guys, I'm a terrible chef. Okay, that's good. Then I mix it. I promise you can't eat it without this sauce because it just tastes different. Okay, you need the sauce. Oh my god, I'm getting this everywhere. Now my Space Camp lip balm. I'm gonna put some of this, if I can open it, honestly. If not, that's fine. Because this is always so hard to open. And I really don't want to embarrass myself and struggle on camera. So I'm not going to use it. Where's this stupid hot sauce? There's no way we're out. Apparently there is a way because there's no more. To finish this off, this meal off, we need a drink. And all my ingredients are from Trader Joe's, so we have to continue that. We have this Italian blood orange soda. I keep looking at my viewfinder, guys. Ignore me. Guys, literally my camera has dust on it because I haven't used it. Tell me why I shouldn't pour this in my bowl. Now, I'm gonna clean up my mess and then I'll show you guys the finished product. It's not very cute. I will say that, but it's very good. You know what we do with this? Recycle. Whoa. Finished product. Wow. This cup is so cute. Wow. OMG. And this doesn't need any seasoning. Any extra seasoning. So I'm gonna taste this with you guys. I'm gonna try to edit this video as soon as I can. As soon as I can to get it out. Okay. Very good. I'm very pleased with myself. And very happy that you guys watched this video after 2 months of me being gone. I was gone. But it's okay. Because I'm back. I have some videos in my head planned. Sorry. I'm just blowing the dust off of you because there's literally dust. This is a shame. That's a shame that there's dust. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate it and I appreciate you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe because it's all free. You know what else is free? Hitting the notification bell to get notified every time I post, which I think I'm going to change my posting days, but turn on your post notifications to know when I post. Or follow me on Instagram while you're at it, because I'll post there about all of my YouTube videos. Yeah, that's all I had to say. See you next week anyway. Bye. Bye.
So, what is this? Exactly. No, she's joking. Hold on, let me try this. Kyra cooked. She's something like a chef. That's pretty good.
I know, right?